The first thing you want to do is set your drawing up for metric. In order to do that, you'll want to type in the word startup in your command bar and then change the numeric value to 1 and hit the enter button. Once you do that, you can go up to the AutoCAD desktop and go to File, New, and it'll give you the option for metric. The next thing you will want to do is change your circle tool to the diameter option, and you would like to draw a circle that has a diameter of 8 millimeters. Next, the flat spot on top of the circle is a distance of 5 millimeters. So we're simply going to draw a 5 millimeter line. We're going to go down to our object snaps and we're going to make sure that center and intersection are selected. We're then going to take and move that 5 millimeter line from its midpoint to the center point of the circle. Once that is complete, we're simply going to use our tracking tool and grab that line at one of its endpoints and move it straight up 90 degrees till the intersection snap happens. Finally, once that's in the correct place, we will then attempt to trim the circle, which is sometimes not as easy as it initially sounds. Now, sometimes in the 3D environment, circles do not like to trim. For some reason, AutoCAD defaults to regioning a circle. If your circle does not want to trim, you need to go to the Explode tool underneath your Modify toolbar and explode the circle. Then you should be able to go up to Trim as usual and trim the circle. The final step is to take and region the circle and the flat line that you made at the top together. And then you'll be taking and extruding it. The sheet says to extrude it over 600 millimeters. For our purposes, extruding this anywhere from 55 to 75 millimeters will be sufficient. Sometimes we draw things in the incorrect view, not on purpose, but by accident. This can be remedied by using the 3D Rotate tool. However, if you do not prefer to use the 3D Rotate tool, you can always change your views into a non-isometric view and rotate the object in increments of 90 or 45 degrees to get them in the orientation that you wish. For example, here I can also go and rotate it around the side or central axis to get it to spin in the correct direction and correct orientation. The final phase is going to be to change the color. You can change the color by double clicking on it and under By Layer clicking on the color you prefer.